Okay, today we're looking at PowerPoint. So you go into PowerPoint, and if you've got Copilot going, you can now create with Copilot. The first thing it does, it brings up a box and says create a presentation about. Okay, so I've asked for a presentation, the UK's industrial strategy launched in mid-2025. See what we get. So it will probably ask me the sort of format it wants to give, the presentation style. And I think we will go for quick study, generate the slides. So it's doing the research and then it's generating the slides. Pretty good. Here we go. Let's have a look at this slide deck. Works through the strategy, reasons for launching it, core pillars, sustainable growth, skills development, workforce resilience, roadmap. It's good. Is it brilliant? But it gets you going, gets you started. So what I'm going to do is try and do the same thing again and perhaps give it a bit more context, give it a bit more idea, and ask it for some more specific things. So this time I've said, create a presentation about the UK's recent 2025 industrial strategy. It should be focused on the specific requirements for the UK HE sector and pitched at a general audience. I think we might get something a bit different. And let's try a slightly different, let's try modern Serenity. We've got lots to choose from. Maybe Prismatic Polygons. Let's try that one. I think it's pretty cool now that all of these designs that were in, that used to be part of PowerPoint that you could sort of add in, I think that was one of the really positive things about PowerPoint, and now it's part of Copilot, which I think is really positive. Cool. Let's have a look. It feels more focused, doesn't it? Key objectives, boosting productivity, advancing innovation, key things that are there for universities, so major sectors, advanced manufacturing, clean energy, digital technologies, skills development and growth, government vision and policy drivers, role of higher education, knowledge creation, technology transfer, entrepreneurship support. As you can see, by being more specific with the prompt, you get a more specific, better set of slides. Cool. Let's move on. Okay, so one of the things you can do is you can change the text using Copilot. So I've highlighted the text. I said fill out more detail here. Let's see if it will do it, if it will go in. It has, but it's done it in Copilot. No good. Okay, see if this works. It gives you more text to put in, but you have to cut and paste it in. That's a bit disappointing. If this was Gamma or something like that, or if you were doing it with Claude, it would just add it in. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, let's see. So it's generated these images, generated the images on these files. Let's see if we can change those images or perhaps get some different images generated. We've got this image here. Let's see if it gives me 3 different images that support this supporting STEM and emerging technologies. Let's see whether we get something sensible. It's given me a description of the images here, but it hasn't generated them. There we go. We've got some images, and now we can just select one of these and insert it. There we go. Now got a different image in the document. You can drag it to size, delete the old one, keep your file smaller. There you go. You can generate images from Copilot directly in PowerPoint and just bang them in. That's useful. Let's move on. Okay, so you've got your deck ready. You've got all of your speaker notes in there. It's really good. One useful thing you could do is summarize the deck, and it gives you a summary of the deck, key objectives and priorities. Quite a long summary. Anyway, it's given me this summary and the slides. It's good. It even gives you the slide number. That's really helpful. So you can go through the summary and click on it and get the various slides. That's really helpful. Okay, that's Copilot in PowerPoint. I think it makes PowerPoint much easier to use. I think it's more effective, and yeah, I think that's pretty positive. Okay, I'll see you next time. See you soon. Bye bye.